UK new online immigration status e-visa system. It is also called the UKVI View and Proof Service. The UK government is phasing out physical visa documents such as the Biometric Residence Permit and replacing them with a fully digital system. This new system gives international students online access to their immigration status. So you may be wondering, what is this system all about? This new system allows you to view your immigration status online, prove your visa and resident rights to employers, universities, and landlords. It also allows you to update your personal details online, like your address or passport number. This digital proof is known as your e-visa. Here is a list of why it's important to students, especially for international students. Now, you will be wondering why it's replacing the BRP, that is the Biometric Residence Permit. If you currently have a BRP, the UK Home Office will invite you to create your online UKVI account so that you can transition to the new system. Now, let's talk about how to use the online e-visa system step by step. Step 1. Creating a UKVI account. You will have to visit this website and sign up with your email address that is linked to your visa application. And you will have to verify your passport or BRP number. Step 2. View your status. You're going to see your visa type, expiry date, and your rights to work, study, or rent. Number 3. Sharing your immigration status. You're going to click Prove your status to someone. Once that is done, you're going to generate a code. And with this code, you're going to send it to your university, employer, or landlord. You will also need to update details in case you have a new passport. FK Global Ventures will help you with the following. Note these important reminders. You don't need to be carrying a BRP number after December 2024. Your e-visa will be your official proof. Always make sure to keep your UKVI account email address secure. You will need to use your share code anytime someone like your landlord, employer, university wants to check your visa. And the e-visa system is completely free to use. The UK digital immigration system is designed to make things easier, safer, and more efficient, especially for international students. With FK Global Educational Ventures by your side, we are going to ensure your transition to the e-visa system happens seamlessly with peace of mind. Do you need help setting up your UKVI account or navigating your online visa status? FK Global is ready to assist. Before you go, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram for real stories, helpful tips, and content made for you.